Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to track an order from AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right corner of your screen and go to section My Orders. So now find order that you want to track and click button Track Order, or also it can say View Details. So now your screen should look something similar like to one I have on my screen. This is basically a screenshot of tracking information page where you can see your estimate delivery time, also your carrier, your tracking number, and of course your shipping updates in this built-in tracker. So it can say you shipment ready for dispatch, like mine screenshot says. Also it can be arrived at sorting center, ready for delivery, etc. But if you don't like this built-in tracker, you can copy your tracking number by tapping this button and pasting it to universal tracker like 17 track website. This is the name of it. This is the tracker that AliExpress suggests me to use, but actually doesn't really matter. You can use any other trackers because they all work according to similar principle. And then basically you can see even more detailed shipping updates. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.